Jonathan Zerke here for Sunbuilt Custom Homes and another episode of New Homes Built Right. Today we're out here in the Fraser Valley in our project in Abbotsford, and we're installing a rainwater detention tank. The reason why we're doing that is because the city storm system isn't large enough to take all the water off of the homes that are in this development. So in other words, the volume of water coming off these roofs would be too much for the city storm, and it would be overpowered. And so what we're doing is we're running our rainwater leaders into this Ecobloc detention tank. So what it actually does is, in a large storm event, this tank will start to fill up, and the water that's in this tank will be released into the city storm in a controlled manner. So much slower than what it's coming in off the roof. So this Ecobloc system is designed and manufactured by a company called GRAF, and it's distributed here in the Lower Mainland by our friends at Barr Plastics. And they distribute all kinds of plastic things like tanks, this particular thing, docks, and that type of stuff. And so we really appreciate their help and their assistance in supplying this to us. So what we have behind us is a 20.2 cubic meter. It's 5 blocks wide, or by 6 blocks long by 3 blocks high. So that's 90 blocks, and it's 20 meters of storage detention. So this system is very easy to install. It's all modular. It clips together. You can see Ryan in the background. He's just finishing this tank off. We will wrap it with some fabric first, then an actual rubber liner, and then fabric again to protect that rubber liner. And that's the right way to create a detention tank here in this particular development. So remember, folks, if a home is worth building, it's worth building right.